That looks uncomfortable.
Oh dear.
Keep that on your glove. Don't let that go on the floor. I'm tired of picking this shit up.
Schmutz.
You got a lot of you got a lot of
Your
schmutz in
shaft
your.
is really well lubed.
You got schmutz?
You got you got schmegma.
Oh dear.
Schmegma.
What's it smell like? Does it smell good? Well burned?
Oh God, that's nasty
When did we all
burn.
become Jewish over here, huh?
Oh, this is terrible smelling.
Sorry.
You would have got that.
All right, so
Better.
I guess let's pull this axle out, gang, and let's pull a table up.
You want a rig?
Ring. Good question. The small ring is the retainer, and it keeps it from coming off.
Oh, that's the thing that pops when you
Yes.
pulled it.
But that's not the crush washer, right?
No, there's no crush.
Crush washer is not part of this.
No, not at all.
All right.
Okay, now slide that through.
They have this.
So now we go this way.
Go this way. There you go. Now, boys,
We want to go.
we need to put something in here.
Oh, like a wood plank or something.
No, not a wood plank,
Something metal.
Yeah, wood wouldn't last.
that
No,
would blow
no.
up. Yeah.
but we need something to not.
Why don't we use one of our...
Unless you think that will, you can aim that and it'll fit
What
between.
about this hammer?
I don't see why not.
Oh no, that's
No,
not big
'cause
enough.
that,
I got an idea.
Uh oh.
Actually, those two.
This,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hold on, Wick's getting
yeah,
the
we
thing.
did that this afternoon doing the.
Scotty, did you just say you're cooking with Drano?
Yeah,
This isn't.
I want to cook with Drano for my ex and make that person a really
go
nice
ahead.
dinner.
Oh.
Oh yeah, we hold that.
All right, there we go.
You know that guy up there. So.
Somebody hold that up.
It's very.
Wick, are you gonna do the honors again?
You guys ready?
Okay, ready?
What's your cloth is in the middle of it.
I'm good.
Probably.
Not
The
much.
cloth is fine. Your
Shouldn't
finger's
make
probably not.
Yeah, finger not good.
It shouldn't make.
Is this gonna make another pop? Oh shit!
No.
Hold on.
It's not, it should make a big noise as long as we got it all lined up right.
Yeah, Bill. That only goes. Look at that.
Oh dear.
Like butter. Keep going.
When he says it won't fit.
You're home. There it is. That's all it takes.
That's it.
That's all it takes. And see, that was like 15, 20 tons.
15 tons?
Yeah.
Couldn't do that by hand.
Not
Those are
unless
really
you got.
strong.
Yeah. Say that.
I'm not. I haven't gained that.
So do we need to
strength
push this
yet.
back up?
It's a good thing you got that drill press, huh?
It's not a drill press, but this.
Oh, press, whatever.
Yeah.
it's called.
Here, wait. Let's get this out of the
It
way.
is. See how handy it is?
God, do you know I could
right.
get 15 tons?
Who's got the other axle?
Rose.
Grant, would you like to go get the other bearing?
Now, did you explain why you put it in the freezer?
Would you like to explain?
No.
Peter's a dirty boy.
Oh, they can research.
No, you should tell
No,
me.
I'll move the things.
No.
Yeah.
Because I'll say something incorrect and you'll have to correct me anyway.
Scotty, tell them what they
Oh, I
want.
need to take this thing off.
Scotty does that with his hands. He's got like He-Man grip with his
So
fingers.
does this one.
Okay, here
But
comes
the
the
only
next
problem
one.
is I can't always undo the.
Hold on.
Goes this way?
Yes,
Yeah.
It
We
had
need-
a little bit of pressure on it.
Underneath?
but we need the. Where's the little?
Well, yeah, we have to just. We have a little situation.
We need to.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna
undo
need to put
those.
this on first.
Put that
too.
on.
It goes this way, right?
Peter, yep. Peter, flip it. Yeah, that works too. Put
You're
that
not
on.
getting them. I put them on
And then
my
Grant's
string,
bring us the
and
bearing.
then the drill press finished it off.
And any 16th would be good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
any 16ths will work
Okay, Scott, so tell everyone why we put them in the freezer.
Right side.
because it actually shrinks the metal
I know
so that it goes
why. I said tell them.
and
Yeah.
just slides on.
So I guess the pressure from the pressing heats it up.
Correct.
Seals it in?
It creates
just
friction.
seals it nice and tight.
There you go.
Okay, Peter, flip her over, but don't drop your goods. 'Cause we're
Now
gonna
get down. Get an adjustable wrench. Go down one drawer on the right.
let that do its thing, and then when they get that, we'll press her right on.
Now
Is it sitting right?
Yes, it'll sit.
So this
Right.
this is going inside here.
No, this stays right here. This bearing gets pressed all the way down to here.
This?
Yeah.
This is going to be here.
Holy cow!
You're gonna
Holy
trip
cow,
over
is
the
right.
caster.
pretty
And
far
what's
distance.
nice about this damn press is you don't have to sit there and
Yeah, this
like
is
a
power.
bottle jack one. That's
Yeah,
nice.
mine's a bottle jack.
Yeah, yours is a bottle jack.
But this one.
This one's
We don't go big or go home.
They got some fun stuff in there.
And Wick
Yeah.
actually got a killer price on this too.
Can we go in 27 for now? It's not gonna happen.
Socket, collar.
Crescent wrench.
Maybe tomorrow.
We're waiting for you.
Any 16s, adjustable wrench. Come on, guys.
Hey,
I could have went and got it already.
It's a French wrench.
So we'll press this,
Hold
and
on,
then
move over for a second. Oh dear.
we'll do the
Oh, you got it.
axle seal.
How's that, Joe?
Okay, Scotty.